In this video, I will show you how to remove background in Capcut PC. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to jot that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Capcut. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and add the video to your project. Then what you want to do is come down and drag it into your timeline. So you can see I've got this video here. Now to go ahead and remove the background, all you're going to want to do is select the video by clicking onto it. Then what you want to do is come up to this box section on the right hand side. By default it should be selected onto basic at the top, but you want to come up to the top and click onto remove BG. Then all you need to do is tick the box for auto removal. So if you go ahead and tick the box here, and as you can see it says processing, so it just takes a minute or two to do this, so you just want to wait for that to process through. So once that's finished processing through, what's going to happen is the background is going to be removed. So as you can see, we've now got the picture of the person without the background. Now at this point, if you do want to add a different background to the video, what you can do is add that to your project. So I've got this one here. Then all you need to do is drag this onto your timeline and you want to put it underneath the video. So basically you want to add it to your timeline and then go ahead and move the video without the background above it, just like this. And as you can see, we can go ahead and actually change the video background too, just like this. So that is how to remove background in Capcut PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.